The wait is over. After months of speculation, leaks, and cryptic hints across social media, DJI has officially unveiled the Mavic 4 Pro. Unlike their usual mysterious teasers, this time they've actually shown the drone itself, marking a bold shift in their marketing approach. This change likely comes as a response to the relentless stream of leaks leading up to the announcement. Now it's official. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is launching on Tuesday, May 13, 2025, at noon GMT. So what makes this drone so exciting? Let's dive in. The teaser released on DJI's official X, formerly Twitter account, highlights a rotating gimbal alongside the phrase "spin your world." Clearly, this is more than just a minor upgrade. The standout innovation is a 360-degree rotating gimbal that opens new creative doors for filmmakers, content creators, and aerial photographers eager for vertical shots and dynamic movement. One of the leading voices in drone leaks, Jasper Ellens, accurately predicted both the teaser and the release date. When he speaks, the drone community pays attention, and once again, he was right. As for the specs gathered from leaks and early reports, the Mavic 4 Pro takes everything people loved about the Mavic 3 Pro and enhances it. It retains the foldable design, but now weighs around 1,630 grams. Its camera system has been upgraded to a new triple lens setup, featuring a 100-megapixel 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad sensor capable of recording up to 6,000 at 60 frames per second. Additionally, it includes a 70mm medium telephoto lens with a 1.13-inch CMOS sensor and a 168mm telephoto lens with a 1.15-inch sensor. Both telephoto lenses can capture HDR 4000 video at 60 fps or higher. The headline feature remains the 360-degree rotating gimbal, allowing creators to shoot vertical content, spinning hyperlapses, and sweeping panoramas straight from the camera with little need for editing or additional equipment. Battery life is also impressive, delivering up to 51 minutes of flight time, longer than any previous Mavic model. Paired with the new OcuSync 4 Plus transmission system, the drone can maintain a stable video feed up to 30 kilometers away, supporting smooth 10-bit HDR video transmission. That's a huge leap in range, enabling flights across an entire city while staying connected. Safety hasn't been overlooked. The Mavic 4 Pro features 6 low-light fisheye sensors and a front-facing LiDAR system. Together, these allow the drone to detect obstacles even in dim lighting, such as environments illuminated only by streetlights, great for challenging conditions or evening shoots. Some unintentional leaks also shed light on unreleased features. Earlier this month, photos of a crashed Mavic 4 circulated online, revealing exposed copper contact points that hinted at an electronic ND filter system. Later, a leaked manual confirmed the existence of the Hasselblad N464 filter, which is expected to launch later in May for about $220, though it won't be available immediately due to production delays. The leaked packaging for the Creator Combo Bundle confirmed it includes 512 gigabytes of internal storage and DJI's new RC Proto controller. This updated controller boasts a 7-inch high-brightness mini LED screen that can rotate for vertical shooting, integrated microphones, and a fold-out mechanism that doubles as a power switch. Just flip the screen or extend the right arm to turn it on. However, not everything is perfect. Reports suggest there won't be a signed version of the Mavic 4 Pro, and ProRes recording won't be supported, disappointing news for professional cinematographers. Also, while the camera system is powerful, the sensor sizes haven't increased from the Mavic 3 lineup. The rumored DJI RC Track controller is also absent from this release. Despite these drawbacks, the Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be DJI's most advanced consumer drone to date. With its high-resolution Hasselblad camera, innovative rotating gimbal, extended flight time, and impressive safety features, it's clearly designed for creators seeking flexibility and top-tier performance in one package. In summary, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro officially launches on May 13th. If the leaks prove accurate, as they usually do, it's expected to start at around $250 in the US, with optional add-ons like the ND filter and Creator Combo priced separately. Retailers are already preparing product pages, and with excitement building, this could be one of DJI's biggest product launches in years.